Okay, so the market just closed, so now we could see where the close is on the chart, but I'm not gonna lie, TradingView has been messing up severely, so I'm gonna show you what I'm seeing right now and then, go over what I'm looking at, because it's really messed up. Okay, so this is the Bitcoin dominance chart, and you can see that Bitcoin, it was really, really low back in here, and when it was alt season, this was all alt season, right? And then Bitcoin came back up, and it kept on bouncing up higher, 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 and it just broke through the super major, both diagonal and horizontal support. And it looks great, right? So on the daily time frame, it looks like, okay, this closed below here, it's heading down here, like it's pretty much guaranteed. However, if you go to the 4-hour chart and you go back, all of a sudden you see this where it's at the exact same price where it was before. And this was a low all the way on August 5th, but it didn't look like that before. So once again, going back to the daily chart, it looks great. It looks like Bitcoin dominance fell and now altcoins are gonna just soar, but it's not what happened on the 4-hour chart. So this is the daily and this is the 4-hour. And on the 4-hour, it's making a double bottom. This is obviously messed up because the low should be the same exact number no matter what. And so if we look at the altcoin dominance, we can see that on the 4-hour time frame, the altcoin dominance, busted above this and now it's making a double top. However, on the daily time frame, you can see that it busted above this and this whole big thing, and now it's, well above making any type of double top. It's way above it. So because the charts on TradingView are messing up and they're not correct and they're not giving good information, it's making things a little bit complicated. However, given the fact that the daily and the higher time frames always outweigh the lower time frames and the daily time frames look extremely bullish, that makes me more bullish. It makes me still be bullish. And because of that, I'm going to keep my positions in Ethereum, in Dogecoin, and in my other altcoins that I have. I am simply just trimming them down in case we do get a drop, then I will add a lot more to them. And I'm specifically trimming them down because some of them went up above the resistance and then they closed back below the resistance, which is why you always need to wait for the close. And I will admit I did prematurely enter a lot of them. But the other reason why I am trimming them down is because I went in pretty freaking heavy, and with this confusion, I don't want to be in that heavy. I want to be in to try to catch the upside, but I can't risk that much of my portfolio. So I'm taking a little bit of a risky play here, but I'm still leaving some ammunition in the tank.